The Nokia drone phone 2026 is expected to be one of the most ambitious concept smartphones associated with the Nokia brand, although HMD Global has not announced such a device officially. According to online rumors and concept renders, the phone could feature a 6.9-inch QHD plus AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, powered by a flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite series processor and paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. The most talked about rumored feature is a detachable mini drone camera capable of capturing aerial photos and videos, complemented by a high-resolution primary camera system with advanced AI photography features. Other expected highlights include a large 8,000 to 9,000 mAh battery with ultra-fast charging, satellite connectivity, an under-display fingerprint scanner, IP68 water resistance, and Android 17 with long-term software support. While these features have generated excitement online, they remain speculative and are not backed by official Nokia announcements. If such a concept were ever to become a commercial product, industry speculation suggests it could appear sometime in late 2026 or beyond, but there is currently no confirmed release date.